Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this MA starter kit. So let's see what's inside. Is anything good for this unit? Alright, let's go. Okay, so this is everything for this unit. So let's start from the body. So the body is this, and it's plastic hard body, and this is the stickers. Okay, and then next we're gonna take a look at the chassis. So it's a MA chassis, and that's a regular ABS chassis. Okay, and this is the parts. It comes with the red. So if you like the color red, you can use that, and black and red is always my favorite colors. Alright, and next it comes with some front underguard. You can using as like front brake as well, like skip play, something like that. So it's a pretty good options for the beginners, and because, well, as you guys know, this is starter kits, right? So this is what it comes with for the front, and this is the rear brake. Okay, so as the pictures here, you can see the rear brake that you can use. Okay, and next we're gonna talk about the wheels. So it comes with the orange. It's a PP wheels. Okay, and this is the medium size, and this is come with the medium size hard tire without the lettering. Okay, it's a super hard tire. And then the most special things for this unit, first, it comes with a screwdriver. So if you guys know it, there's a Tamiya package for the tools, like screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and I can't remember what was the next. I think that's the hand drill or something like that. I can't really remember, but this one, it comes with a screwdrivers. It's very good, and I believe this screwdriver is perfectly fit for the Tamiya screws. Okay, and next will be come with the brake plate, brake pad. So it comes with the brake pad, the black and the gray, and also it comes with the FRP front plate and rear plate, and also come with the bowl cap and this kind of dampers. So personally, I really like this kind of dampers, and because it can, it can hide the nuts, right? So you can cover the nuts, and so you can save, there's more distance for the dampers. So this is pretty good options for the dampers. So for this kits, it comes with this kind of dampers. I really like that. Okay, the next will be the gear. The gear ratio, it comes with a 3.7. I believe this is the only units it comes with the 3.7 gears. I can't remember is there any other units come with 3.7. So I believe this is the only unit come with a 3.7. If just correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And also come with the 2 carbon reinforced painting gear. And then the motor it come with obviously is the Torque Tune Pro. And then they come with spacers and screws and nuts, washers. Basically that's everything for this unit. So now let's take a look at how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so basically I would say this unit is very good. The starter kit, the starter pack for the new beginner, because it basically give you most, like I would say, like 60% whatever that you need. And also it comes with the screwdrivers, and also it comes with the specialist, the 3.7, and other kits doesn't as well. So if you are interested on play the Tamiya and you want to try something, it comes already. So basically this card is pretty good option for you, and then you only need add something else and you can totally complete this card. So this is pretty good option for the starters. Alright, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you very much.